Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the road that takes you from Kingston to St. Thomas. It actually goes all the way to Portland, but from Kingston to St. Thomas it's 4 lanes, and that section is what we're driving on now. We're actually heading towards Bull Bay. And from St. Thomas to Portland it's 2 lanes. Now this road is 132 kilometers long, and it's definitely what you call a game changer for the parish of St. Thomas. A lot of developments have started or in the process of starting because of this road. The Morant Bay Urban Center is a huge success because of this road. Stores that were never in St. Thomas before, because to get there was a awful drive with a winding road that was one of the worst you'd find in Jamaica. So because of that, a lot of businesses never went into Morant Bay. So like KFC is opening its first store in Morant Bay, Hilo, Burger King, so many businesses are opening up in Morant Bay, and many more to come. The Morant Bay Urban Center, huge success. They're building the Morant Bay microfinance complex. The micro business complex right beside the Morant Bay Urban Center. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.